We could have it all. Or we could be castaways, washed up onto a shore of time. I want to believe that anything is possible, that we could be anything, that we can do anything, that we can start over if we need to, or we can keep on going if we have to. Because flying is so easy when you have wings, but a leap of faith is all the more satisfying when you have nothing to fly with at all. So take a chance and take a deep breath and hold on tight, because these are the days that we learn to live again.